Well, taking a look at the day tomorrow, we have early shower chances that will linger in the morning. Otherwise, cloudy skies. Temperatures will be in the 50s to start. Sun peaks popping out through the afternoon, but we're going to be a little cooler than we were today. We topped out at 65 at Hopkins. Today, we'll be in the low to mid 50s for the afternoon tomorrow. Northerly breeze is building in with 3 to 5 footers expected. The rain is leftovers of these storms that are coming our way. They are out to the west of us right now. All of this along a cold front that is lining up to move through our area tomorrow morning in the early hours. So we are expecting these showers and yes, even thunderstorms to begin to move through. You can see the lightning strikes that have been popping in here. A lot of the lightning out over the lake. So those of you who live along the lake shore, if you have been looking north, you may see the illuminated clouds, but these storms that are out to the west are still a few hours away. If we put a track on it, this is moving east at about 38 miles per hour or so. Sandusky at 1:45, 1:30 or so for Lorain, about 2 a.m. for Cleveland, and closer to 3 a.m. for the Mansfield area because of the orientation of the line. Now, that front is associated with a larger storm system that's off to the northwest of us. You can definitely see that push. Now, the severe weather threat is to the south. We're not worried about severe weather out of this tonight, so sleep easy, but you may hear those rumbles of thunder, and if you have pets, they're going to be hearing that as well. The dark green line represents where that transition takes place, where we go from the warmer air to the cooler air. And interestingly enough, that line is going to come into the state of Ohio and stop, and then it'll bounce back to the north as we get into the weekend, and that will bring warmer air back to the forecast. So let's go hour by hour through the night tonight. Told you about 2 a.m. or so for Cleveland. This is 2 a.m. on our forecast model, and that lines up very well along the I-71, 271 corridors. And then this continues to move east through the early morning. So by 4 a.m., we're still dealing with scattered showers, maybe some heavy downpours, but any thundery weather will be confined to areas south of greater Cleveland, even south of Akron and Canton. You can see Dover maybe hearing some rumbles about 6 a.m. or so. The scattered shower threat will linger through 8 a.m. You may run into some showers for that morning commute, even the kids headed out the door to the bus stop. But a random shower chance will even stay with us toward midday. Remember, a north wind coming across the lake, that gets a little extra moisture, so we bring that out in the form of some showers. But look how these temperatures are only in the low 50s for the afternoon. Clouds press south with that front. That's going to clear us out, but it will be a chilly night. And then by the time we take a look at the rest of your Universal Windows Direct forecast, by the time we get into Saturday, the warmer air is beginning to move back in. 60 the expected high for Saturday. Late rain and rumbles moving in. And then Sunday, a good chance of some rain hanging out in northern Ohio. We'll have another front that comes through Monday early, probably late Sunday night, early Monday morning. But you can see that temperature fall from 70 on Sunday. Boy, is that going to feel nice. Extra hour of sleep, too. It's just a win-win kind of a day.
What a day.
And then we'll be in the 40s as we round through the middle part of next week.
Falling back on Sunday.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Betsy.
Yes.